What's going on YouTube? This is BXBomber708 back at you with another video unboxing. This is the Lenovo Yoga 613. It's a 2-in-1 laptop. The good thing about this one is that it has the full AMD Ryzen 7 processor in it, and this is the 8-core 16-thread processor. This is the 5700U. It bases at 1.8 gigahertz, and I think it turbos up to about 4 gigahertz if I'm not mistaken. This one comes with 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM. It also comes with a 512 gigabyte solid state drive. It also has the 360-degree flip and fold design, and that's what the Yoga is. It can flip and fold. It also has a 13-inch 1080p screen that is a touch screen as well. It's about 2.9 pounds. It has a Wi-Fi 6 a Wi-Fi adapter in it. It also has a 720p webcam with a microphone. It also has a built-in fingerprint reader. This comes in what's called Abyss Blue, and it has a fabric blue lid cover, which I think is very interesting. All right, this has two USB Type A, one USB Type C, a power port, and a headphone jack, and that's it. Right, very minimal in regards to ports, which to me, for the price point, so this retails for $949 plus tax. It'll be over $1,000 for this item. I paid $860, I think, with taxes. I got a couple of discounts off for it, so I got it for about $860. Right, the Dell one was $1,000, and then with tax, it would have been close to $1,100. Right, okay. So we're going to go ahead and unbox this and see what this looks like. I was really captivated by this fabric cover that's on the lid, and it's Abyss Blue design. I'm interested to see what the speakers sound like. The speakers flank the keyboard, so they're top firing, so I wonder what that sounds like. I want to see how good the screen is. Most screens at this price point have 250 nits of brightness, which is really not that bright. However, it just depends on where you're going to use it at, right? If you plan to use this outside a lot in direct sunlight, then this is not the laptop for you, right? However, if you plan to use it indoors most of the time with artificial lighting and then occasionally outside, then you can get away with 250 nits of brightness, right? Okay, so let's go ahead. There's a sticker here, a Lenovo sticker. I'll do it this way. Lenovo sticker here, all right? It's a fairly unassuming, unattractive brown cardboard box. All right, you remove the sticker off of it right here. All right, and this, you pull out this part right here, pull this up. All right, let's open this, and there we go. All right, that's what it looks like on the inside. All right, so I'm gonna take out this power cord. Let's take a look at it. All right, now this power cord here, this looks almost like a USB Type-C. It might be USB Type-C. I gotta double check it and see. If it is a USB Type-C power, I think that's awesome because, yeah, and look how small this is. It's only 45 watts. I mean, that's phenomenal. 45 watts, right? Very small. I haven't seen a power adapter this small and I don't know how long, right? But it's a nice 45 watt power supply, and again, I think it's USB Type-C because that's what this looks like, but I'll examine it further and I'll determine that. But this is awesome. This is the power cord, right, that goes into the adapter. All right, so I'm gonna plug that in there. All right, there you go. That's what this is right here. All right, and then there's this hard foam, nice hard foam packaging that the laptop is in. Oh, looks like this piece comes right off. Right here, and here we go. All right, here's the other part of it, the hard foam. All right, let's put this aside, and then we have the laptop here, and it's in this plastic covering. All right, let's take it out and take a look at it. All right. Oh. That does look really, really sleek, very nice. It has the Yoga right there, the Yoga model name right there. It does look like it has a stain on it right there, which is really interesting. Let me see if that comes off. It looks like maybe be some I don't know. That's really odd. There we go. I think it's off. Yeah, that's very interesting. Now this texture, it does feel very fabricy. It looks really, really good in person. I did want something portable, but this is like extremely portable. I think I probably would have done better getting the Dell because the screen would have been a little bigger, but this is like very, very lightweight. This is like, feels like a book almost, like a tablet. You know, that's how lightweight this feels. All right, let's go ahead and look at some ports here. On this side is this side right here. Make sure you can see it. There you go. This is your USB Type C, your USB Type A, and your power button. And that's on the right side. On the left side, we have a power port for the AC adapter. Again, it looks like it's a USB Type C. I don't know. Then we're greeted with another USB Type A and a headphone microphone combo jack. Okay. And then here's the bottom. I don't want you to see any information, but it's at the bottom. As you can see, there's a fan right in there to keep everything cool. All right, here's the exhaust on the back. There's your exhaust on the back. All right, there is some plastic here to keep the hinges protected. I'm gonna open it up and see what the hinges feel like. Yeah, this looks really, really interesting. Really interesting. And again, it is feather light. Oh man, this is 2.9 pounds. All right, so let's go ahead and open this thing up so y'all can see it. Pull it here, and again, I went for the AMD Ryzen 7 5700U because there's no, for this price point, I think you get an i5, maybe some i7 products, but the 5700U, it beats the i5, and I think it matches close to the i7. It depends on which model, because most of the i7s at this price point is the 4-core, 8-thread variant. This is a 8-core, 12-thread variant, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and open this up. Move everything out the way. Okay, let's go ahead and open this up. And again, this feels like a book. All right, so inside, interestingly enough, the keyboard protector is shifted, looks a little wrinkled and everything. But what they did was they tucked in Lenovo services here. You can see that there, Lenovo services. All right, and then this warranty card. No, this is not warranty card. This is caring and cleaning the fabric surface. So you can see it. So this is just showing you how to keep the fabric clean. It says the top surface of the product is made of fabric. Keep the product dry when it is in use or in storage. Avoid using the product in high temperature, sun exposed, raining, and wet conditions. Okay, that's interesting. And this is the Lenovo services. Thank you for your purchase. You're going to love this. Get 50% off your first services order. All right, here you go right there. I don't think I'm going to be using any of Lenovo's, there we go, any of Lenovo's services, but thank you, Lenovo. All right. This is their support services, right? Now, it would have been nice if the cover here was actually on the keyboard and that stuff was in here, but I think they did that to protect it from scratching the screen, so I guess that makes sense. But yeah, this is the laptop right here. Here at the bottom, I'll let you see this. You have your Ryzen sticker, 5700 sticker, and your AMD Radeon graphics. This has integrated graphics, so no dedicated graphics. Dedicated graphics would have been really good, but you know, there's not really a lot of AMD graphics, dedicated graphics available at this price range. I think with the Dell G5, the older G5, it has a 5600M you can get, and I know now they released the 6800M, 6700M, and 6600M, but again, that wouldn't be at this price point. And again, I prefer AMD Radeon graphics over Intel's XC graphics, and I prefer the Radeon processor over the Intel processor. Now, this was 2-3 years ago. I would have gotten all Intel, but not in the stage and age, right? Here we have Dolby Atmos, right? Immersive entertainment and true block privacy shutter and premium fabric cover, right? And then there's a, as you can see there, for your e-support, you can scan for e-support. Here are the speakers flanking the sides of the keyboard. That's one speaker there. This is the other speaker here. Right here is your biometric reader, okay, which was a plus. I didn't think the Dell had it on the 14-inch version, but it did. It had it with the power button, which I thought was pretty neat. All right, so I'm gonna try this out, see how it goes. Again, because this is the Yoga, this can actually go 180 like this, and then you can fold it into tent mode like that, and then it can fold all the way back. All right, which I think is really, really dope. I mean, actually, this looks like a real replacement for my tablet. I have the Samsung Galaxy X6 tab, and this might replace it. I don't know. All right, so we're gonna test it and see. I like the fact that it's thin. It's supposed to be 0.7 inches thin, okay? And it's lightweight, 2.9 pounds. I hold it with one hand and it feels like it's not even there. And I wanted a laptop, again, that was thin and light, that I could just move around from room to room and take it from place to place and just do full productivity work on it. And this might fit the bill.